Welcome everyone. I'm Haim Zaki. You're watching Drafting Technology. Let's get started. Do you want to create your first drawing in AutoCAD? Let me show you how to draw it from scratch in less than a minute. We will use the rectangle command. Type its shortcut, then press enter. With coordinates 1000, 1000, like this. Then we'll give it dimensions. For example, 5000 in horizontal direction and 4000 in vertical direction. We will use the offset command. Type its shortcut, then press enter. Next, give it the distance it will move, 200 millimeters like this. For example, I'll insert this door block like this. I had some blocks prepared, so I will use them. I select the element and press Ctrl+C. And that's how it stays in its place. Try what you saw, share your impression in comments. Like the video? Don't forget like. Subscribe to channel if you haven't yet. Want to see detailed explanation? Full video on YouTube. Absolutely amazing.